Hi from Adamfresh. I did this video to help us to understand if the connection of your Adam Easy are right. First, check the power of 12 volt and 220 volt of your camper, caravan and so. To test it simply, you can connect the mobile phone to the 220 volt and check if start the recharge, and the same with the 12 volt, and I can do the same to connect the plug to the socket 12 volt. Okay, if I have power, okay, we can do the other test. Now we have to connect our power cord if we have this kind of device, okay, and we have to press hard the plug into the socket of Adam. Okay, it's important we have not space between the plug and Adam. For example, this is not okay because I see the metal part of the connector, okay, of the plug. Okay, it's important the plug is completely, okay, inserted into the plug. Now I can press for 4 seconds, okay, and Adam start. Okay, but if my connection is not okay, Adam stop. Okay, this is not okay because I see the metal part of the plug. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I start. But okay, it's enough. 3 millimeters, and Adam stopped, don't start. Okay, the same if I have only the 12 volt cable. Okay, if I have only this one, it's important that the connection is complete. Okay, this okay, in this case is not okay. Now, if I have do the right connection, but Adam doesn't start, I have only the 12 volt cable, I can do another check. I have to test or verify the fuse into the plug. To check the fuse is simply because I remove the end of the plug, and I have to verify, to test, to check the little line in metal inside the fuse. Okay, if I have only one piece, my fuse is okay. In this case, you see only one line. But if this line is interrupted, there is space between one piece of line and the other, my fuse is KO. And I have to change it. Okay, this is very important. I hope with this test you solve and Adam start again. Otherwise, please contact us directly, and you can find our email in the description of this video. Or you can contact the shop where you bought it. Bye!